Hello everyone, this is Cheryl again from Saladmaster here in Perth, and today I'm going to show you a fish dish. I'm going to cook salmon. And I'm going to use my 5-quart wok. So what I'm going to do, I added some vegetable at the bottom. So this time I added bok choy, but you can replace this with spinach, Chinese cabbage, kale, or some slices of lemon at the bottom. And then you're going to put the fish. I got one piece of salmon there. For the topping, you can use any spices of your choice, like basil pesto, chili pesto, tom yum paste. But for today, I'm going to use garlic salt and dill. Cover and cook it for 10 minutes. Medium, when you hear the click, you turn it to low. After 10 minutes, this is how it looks like. Look at the bok choy, very green. Quick, simple, and easy. Only with Saladmaster. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel. Bye!